This section will demonstrate how to import and export the custom fields made for WooCommerce order data using the Product Addons for WooCommerce plugin. The CSV file is already ready. Alright, I'm going to upload my CSV file to the CSV Importer plugin from my WordPress dashboard. Make sure you have created the custom fields and assigned that for your product before uploading the CSV. Click Continue after selecting WooCommerce orders as the post type. I already have saved mapping template, so going to use that. It is now displaying the mapping section. Verify that the necessary fields are mapped by viewing the WPCA Fields widget. Then proceed to the following step. This is the import configuration section. Final step to import the record. Click on Import button. Import process begins and listing the logs. Click on View Shop Order button to see the imported fields in front-end view. Looks good, values are correct. Here is the backend of imported values. Okay, we will export the custom fields of extra product options using our export feature. Click on the export section and select WooCommerce orders. Click the Continue button. Here I already have saved template. If you want new map, click on Create New Mapping, but I going with Saved Template. Given the CSV name and click on Export. The process started, and I am downloading the CSV. Let's check the CSV for the field values. All related fields are getting exported. Let's check the WPCA custom field values. Thank you for watching this and try our plugin now.